This is a quick video to show you how to mount your universal garage door wireless keypad by Chamberlain. It's really simple to do and only requires a few tools. You'll need the keypad. These screws to mount it come with it. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove the battery door, and then you'll also need a drill with a small bit. This is a 7/64 bit. This is to pre-drill the holes before you put the screws in. If you need any of this stuff, check the link below. They'll have them right there. The first thing that we're going to need to do is gain access to the holes that we mount this thing with. So what you'll notice is we need to lift the keypad, but it locks right there. To remove this shield from the keypad, we're going to go to the back side, take 2 fingers and push it apart, and it pulls right out. And that's where you'll find the first hole to mount this. The second hole is located underneath the battery door. To access that, you will need a small Phillips head screwdriver. We'll slide the battery door off, take that battery out, and you'll see right there the second hole to mount. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.